me? The whole out. Me could have never think say you as the mother would have come out here about your dep on a live stream. And that's just how one big careless cloud chasing blood clot family this. Eh? This your family a look like a Lamborghini hype and blood clot views. Them a look and them they sitting there. They're very materialistic, you know, brother. Look at now, bro. Come. If you buck a girl, see? But why don't Johnny say, I want to see that now, pay mortgage, you know. But you take up how much it thousand. The year made 22-year-old girl for birthday. Big roses. How much it funds of money. Who 22, you're 30 a year old. One minute with a 22-year-old. Me, 30 a year old drunker like me. What kind of aspiration me have with a 22-year-old chat? Chat me could talk like big people. You are 34. Old man, 34. What do you see in a little 22-year-old girl? What kind of future? You sit in one little picnic. You as a big man. We pass them the age the long time. What kind of future you see with loyal baby? This girl come because your hood hot, bro. Keep me I tell you the truth, brother. You make your cat control your youth. You see me? Them they look a hot pussy girl there. Them they look a hot pussy girl there fuck everybody. And you ain't on me comment, but shut up. Go broke your neck in your mother. Go ring up your neck in your Suckwood community bicycle, mama. No for no defend the fuck around the blood clot problem. Somehow that's why no for no there. So uno send on look 15 and 13-year-old daughter them go fuck man and carrying blood clot money can go no. No for no dirty mama. No for no girl where promote this. Be not send on a local girl them out if you go take man. Because man like when look at daughter them. Una dirty mama just like fear blood clot mama. Fear dirty mama pimp she. And no for no pimp out on a blood clot daughter them. And pixie mama pimp out she. No for them dirty girl that get daughter be pimp out. Be put on corner be so good and take man blood clot things. Me see around at the mama yard. Akeem as a blood clot youth. We have been common law marriage on the internet, the my Yannick right through around at the mama yard in there, cock up liar, baby, a fuck shit. Not the family that. The whole of them know about him life on the internet. The whole of them know how we miss. Wait until you realize you, hero, says you was a target. And that the little dirty blood clot girl they target you for the hype life and money and Lambo chuck and this and that. No for no boy, no realize enough of them little thinking girl, them little hurry come up girl, them little waste girl. Uno for no hype, uno status, uno money, and them think that if that job tomorrow morning, heard that. Yes, that same little 22 gonna fuck another man who can give her that. You have to be careful in life when you give them dirty girl, yeah. Because I it alone them you drunk or you run the ball love. This your little girl you don't know nothing about no love. This your infatuation and materialistic possession she a look. A dirty girl. You see me? What kind of love them a little girl all they want to do a body, go drive up and down in a car, suck with a dolly Sunday. Do all she want a hype and material. So what you fucking think? You think she there with you because she want to play rain sounds and rub your dog? No, brother. She a play rain sounds and a rub your dog for your money. You go wine on TikTok and go embarrass yourself on TikTok, bro. Oh, you make an idiot girl send you come Cuss, brother. And that's the hurt me youth. Then you have this conky buying post you up on our story. I talk about saying, I don't Cuss with bitches. I said, my man, dog, you know you look like a sissy, bro. You know you look like a fool, youth. You know you look like a idiot. You make a look a idiot 22-year-old girl. Say that, boy, your brother. This is look a idiot girl, yeah, bro. Oh, you look a idiot girl send you if you go do nothing. You're a man, youth. Anything you do for your own and firm up and make a suck with girl tell you go do nothing you. Make a thinking pussy idiot, waste blood clot, canky boy. Tell you go cuss your baby mother. You're a madman, bro. Cuss with Yannick because you want cuss with Yannick. Cuss with Yannick because that's your baby mama, nigga. You cussing your baby mother off on the internet, bro. Who not picking it together, you. Yeah, this is so good, girl, and I have nothing together. The only thing we not have together is saliva, bro. Oh, saliva run and a drip on your balls, them youth. That's the only thing you and this bitch hold together. You see me? You make this a little girl. No, you're gonna make a girl look like she run your youth. And a little girl too. You make a little 22-year-old girl tell you to do that, youth. You're mad, party. How is girl that party? Oh, you fi do that. And you so good, girl. Oh, you fi make another man go this him baby mother. And not, I can't even blame you. You have to blame him. Youth, you're mad, youth. Me no business. Oh, yeah, your baby mother want argue. That's a relationship thing. But don't make no girl. Send you got this your baby mother, you especially them little fuck out girl ya. You think I feel cock at the first cock go down her throat hole? You think you alone a bust in her hole, bro? You know how much belly would have dash her before you? You are gonna risk it all to she. I'm like one dirty girl wanna help you build nothing. You done your life, dude. I saw it look, brother. You shouldn't care the concubine there in a corner and go talk to it. You can talk about in love. In love, what you a waste girl that, brother. From a waste girl, tell you if you do that, you should have known stay a waste girl, bro. We should have my girl if you look for me and say, yo, one got this Tiffany, one got this Bumbuckler Sarah, one got none of my girl them can't tell me if you got this, none of them one another. Who not there with me for no own? You see me? You know me a war, you know me a war, you know me a war. You take me as Bumbuckler that, you see me? None of them can make me this, none of them, bro. Because at the end of the day, who no who can see who a pussy hole. You stay a show you for the girl right here kill it. You see me? And if you and Yannick no good, you and Yannick now go ever dey back. No make no girl make you this your baby mother. You have to see her for the rest of your life, youth. That's the child of your son. You gotta see this girl for the rest of his life, man. You understand me? That's the mother of your son, bro. You understand me? I deal with, and you make a little 22-year-old concubine will rub you down on the rain souls, make you go this time, bro. And you want to see your mouth to say she help you build everything. She help you give you this. She help you give you that. You should have looking at yourself, bro. What are y'all give you? Some head? Take your passport to the airport? Spend your money? I live off of your fame. What she do for you? Not a fucking thing more than lick out your body hole and do everything. Lick out your body hole and do everything. What this is why you're unique having a brother. Me not tell us if you take back your blood clot baby mother now. Now make no girl this your baby mother you. And you not this your baby mother for no girl no matter what you want. If unique wrong, brother. If unique wrong, that's the mother of your son. You have to have some kind of loyalty in your youth. You see me, youth? Are your son, your son are gonna grow up and see that, youth. Your son are gonna grow up and see that you're this mother to another woman, bro. You know that I'm gonna hurt him, youth. We're not talking about Yannick right now. You hurt your son, youth. You hurt your son, you hurt everything about him, dog. Him love him mother and him love you. And if you go see this, it's gonna hurt him, brother. Don't hurt him, dog. Oh, you for this, Yannick, for she. Oh, the fuck is she? Yeah. She and your girlfriend know or whatever the fuck we not have going on, bro. Me no business with the a dog. But me just a say right or right and wrong, bro. No make no so good girl make you come this your baby mother, bro. This is a woman who you have to deal with for the rest of your life. And your son mother that. You see me? I want to hear my boy, man. But that little girl I go sit down and go suck her mother you. Who not have a relationship. What do you posting, bro? You know how much girl me have after my marriage and me never post one of them yet. Me fuck 2-3 different girl a week. Me never post one. Why? I'm up in the internet business where me a push my cock, bro. You understand what me I deal with? You don't need to your buckle post. Yes, a post this. So. And nothing look a girl enough. I want cloud to her. You don't see that, bro. She want cloud to her. I want to post my man. My man. Post blood clot to a girl. Post me no pussy. Post me as if me no mash up your bum buckler for post who. First of all, me no jump a sleep careless in a girl house. And the girl can jump a sleep in my bed neither. Cause you not take a careless picture of me, dog. You have to calm down, bro. And know that the girl that did want ruin your life, brother. You see me? If she never want that, what she want post up for? If she love you so blood clot much, what the posting for? Aren't we in love? Aren't we together? Aren't you here? Isn't you what I want? What social media need to see it for? Why social media need to see her in a Lambo truck? Because you're provoking to. Why you gonna make she provoke your baby mother, bro? Be a man, you. Make you look a girl know herself. Say, all right, me choose she then your girl. Make she choose her and move along with your life and shut her the fuck up. Shut her up, nigga. I that me and try to tell you, bro. Respect in her so much way. You know, if it know with bumbuckler, you need to respect her. Shut up this bitch. Yes, yes, mother there over here for crying, stressing out. Shut up, your girl. Your big mouth, girl. You know, see, bumbuckler, girl. Look like someone time in talking by female lip, you know. You have to do a shut up this. You it's gonna affect your son in the long run, youth. And you can't shut up that girl, yeah? Then a year girl, if she's so in love with you, why she a fuck up your life so then? Brother, answer that. You have a brother, youth. If she love you so much, youth, why she a fuck up your life so much? Answer that question for me. Nobody will love you now. Do this, youth. Nobody will love you now. Do this. Me I tell you that. You see, woman, I love you. They behave different, my boy. Them come with peace and love and no insecurities. That girl the insecure, you fuck. She insecure about all life, bro. You see me? No matter how you see some of them girl put on a filter and say them are the prettiest girl. Then you have some one bag of insecure girl in a makeup. She insecure, but she could be my mother. But you don't realize that you a fuck a man with you fuck your mother. Think that girl. You're so slow. You're just a slow little girl, bro. Here is 35 to 41. Out here is 22 to 35. So that for me. You sound slow, girl. Shut the fuck up. Just shut up. Cause the whole of the Yankee a blood clot idiot, I'm saying. Who don't know if we construct no conversation at all. Now blood clot idiot. Ask the whole of Jamaican them. If you ever sit down and talk to a Yankee, it's like talking to a fucking wall. You hear what I said to you? Boy, you move different, B. Why you move loose? Just shut your mouth and then look at you now. Love how carelessness. You hear them? Shut your pussy clot mouth. You know what we just said to you a while ago because you're dumb as a friend. You're coming like one wall. Let me talk to one cry. Pussy wall. We're not bumbo clot idiot. You see me? We don't know. That's why we thump on you now. You push me for fuck you up, brother. Because me a talk to you. Then you just a pussy clot fool. Then you want to call me fool. You me come from a highland. Go suck your mother. Me will beat you up. They will say the fucking pitiful fool. Wanna listen to him on the blood clot here. He does a yeah. Shut your thinking mouth. One hour now say January. One hour now say over here. When exactly did you start take the people them blood clot, man? Who you did a sucker keep hood behind blood clot your woman back. Then you probably a innocent. Shut your suckud mouth, girl. Shut your suckud mouth. You been a take human, man. I know you are bright up with it, mouth. You guys been over. Shut your mouth. You take a girl man from in there play loyal. And you know a lie, ma tell. You go get where the duck get bad mouth, girl. You see your mouth heavy for you? You see your mouth blood clot push out like one tractor front. You look a girl. You look a slow pussy hole. You wait. Because your father got trouble Yannick. And then I make you look like a Yannick. This never hand blood clot well. Because let me tell you this loyal. I couldn't somebody done like me around with so. I come beat up here your mom a long time. Yeah, when me pull up here your mama house, no matter take me a come with tears and me a big stone me a come with. Me say, bitch, Pull up on your yard. Don't ever think of coming puppy eye that two big stone in your pussy hole mouth. The whole of your teeth them you clear out of your mouth, yeah, like our our yard sale pussy hole. You think this is a joke thing? I chew Yannick, sir. Yannick Lowy cussing to cause you lose bad. You lose Yannick. You studied. Yeah. It's the bank of the house. It's the bank house. It's the bank house. Leave it alone, girl. Somebody because now you feel like she's somebody now we know that. You go and go cuss big pussy loyal. You look whole big and deep, no bumper clot. Rain sounds and rain. And you can't cook. See him Akeem when you feed with the whole line friend them as someone ungrateful. Get loyal. See him you like how he cuss like Yannick you know sister I say about dip up underneath you for feel him that girl too. You think in life I got in you dirty girl? You think I gonna be the last girl in fucking her mouth? You think say you gonna be some kind of wife? There's no future beyond him. There is no future at all for you two now. You are 22-year-old muckers and him a 135-year-old when cock soon can't turn up. You understand me? No future at all. So me don't know what the blood clot today about your in-law. Go look your age. Go work at school, look a girl. You get breast milk still there for your mouth before you fuck out, mother tell you the truth. It dirty blood clot concubine company internet, boy. Oh my God, shut your pussy whole mouth and go be example for your daughter. You can know say you're dirty mother. You sitting there with your daughter and you can know you're careless mother. You're one of them concubine dirty thinking mother there. You need to know out the cussing. You shame yourself, Yannick. You lose bad. You know you can't blood clot cuss. And you take up yourself, gone the boy, your blood clot a cuss and then you think it's a little thing with the boy word dog, you know, you go like jealous slow. Tina, Yannick, no loyal baby. Where the one the name there? All of them slow to blood clot. Not what if you put all the word dog man them together, none of them can write a full sentence. Not one of them. Mr. Appear slow you. Remember what Tina did about it? No one want to tell it came the truth. It's just it came. Somebody I say, oh, my girlfriend I got be my dear woman, no. But babe, I wonder what the girl let's sip on him. Me don't know what you sip on me. me here saying hood big. I cuss with them boy that me don't know. I hear me here saying hood big. Me not walk off but hood size. You see me? But me here say boy, world dog have a big hood. And I hit a casty problem round a yard there. Him a drive cock in a the hole. Then me hear blood clot Yannick I say this cock now rise. Then me hear the boy come back and say girl no sex appeal. Word dog your pussy. See mother because she did have sex appeal for your breeder. And sex her much in time. And run her down for much in years. Nobody shame her and shame her. No. Cause you was most definitely sucking them titty there. Most winding up in that crutches. You understand me? You was enjoying your time in that pool. Bring them the woman crutches now. Don't do that. That is your baby mother. You're going to build your blood clots. Do that with you, Barry. You see me? She's your cock not rise. You see her because the sex appeal no real sound. I suck her nipple. Suck her nipple. I suck out your tongue. So like a lesbian. Me not say nothing still in a brother. Got me like when you suck on my nipple and suck out my tongue. You know, me feel rightly. You understand me I deal? But if I that turn you on and the body can't get turned on. You understand me I deal? Because when you get them nipple on the nipple and I suck out your tongue, I want different body. Rascal, lion baby. No, you don't know say me crush up for your paper. Don't worry yourself. I have a place for you. Feel my body hole real quick, you know? So loyal, she don't feel my body hole. So who next though? Who else to go up on the book? Who else?
Guys, leave your thoughts and comments below.